Have you or someone you know recovered items from the Marshall Fire that were damaged by smoke, ash, wind, water, or snow? Would you like to learn how to digitize and safeguard important paper documents and photos for the future? Or perhaps you would like to share your story about your experience at the Marshall Fire with the museum. If so, we'd like to invite you to our free workshops, Preserving History, to learn how to clean and stabilize fire-damaged items from professional conservators. And you are also invited to share your story with our caring team. The workshops will have multiple stations to provide several services to the community at once. One station will be dedicated to caring for items recovered from the Marshall Fire burn areas. Another station will give residents the opportunity to learn about scanning and preserving photos, important documents, and family recipes. And the last station will give residents a safe and welcoming space to share their stories about the Marshall Fire with the museum, as a way to document the many experiences of our community during this time and to be sure that your story is heard and supported. These workshops are free and open to everyone and will be held at the Louisville Public Library on the days listed below. You can also click the link in our bio or check the city calendar for more information. We hope to see you there.